Oh my goodness, it's Hotpocket500. He's doing another video on a school night. No way. Yeah, I'm doing another video. This is a last minute video. I really hope I'm not getting too much of a reputation on making these types of videos, because I am working on another video. I'm working on a Halloween special. But the thing is, I don't have enough time to make that, and it's possibly gonna not really upload during Halloween. I'll try my best, and I really need to get a haircut. Although I'm probably gonna get it on like November 5th or something. I haven't had a haircut since August, so yeah, that's irrelevant, but you know, whatever. I was watching a few of my videos and I realized that I had not done an updated tour of my game room. And recently I did get some really cool stuff, some really new things too. So I really wanted to. What the hell was that? I don't know what that was. Anyways, I haven't done a game room tour in a long time, so I'm pretty sure it's just appropriate to at least do one right now. So yeah, pretty much. Okay, I just gotta have something to keep y'all busy before I actually upload a new video. So this is in September. It's now October. I forgot to upload it in September, and there we go. So let's just get to it. This is the game room, and this is a huge change to what it was back then. Now, I got a lot to say. I got a lot that I renovated. I got this. Okay, so let me just get to it. All right. This is my game room sign. This is made of LED lights. These are really, really bright because like I could use this as the only light source in the room, and look, just watch. This thing covers the whole room. So even if I oh my god, that's actually really nice. So yeah, of course, as always, I have this. I have my Pac-Man arcade machine. This thing, man, I love it. I play with this a lot, with this Pac-Man arcade. I don't think my family thinks I do because I'm always downstairs, but no, yeah, I still use this thing. I really like it too, especially with the lights. So yeah, pretty much. I got the high score on this actually. I got that high score, you know me. I got that high score. So yeah, pretty much standing on top of this is the LED light Pac-Man, whatever it's called. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Speaking of, I've got a lot of things over here that I've got a lot. This is actually, I got this Elvis poster over the summer because I was one of the people that had the early access fan event, so as you can see there. I also have this Ed's World poster that I was talking about all the way in January, but never decided to talk about it. And it never went on over there. I mean, it did went there for a while, but then I moved it over here. And by the way, I also got this little sign over here, this little Pac-Man sign. This is actually pretty cool because it's right next to my arcade machine, so that's cool. These two paintings are really nice. I actually like these. Again, I still have this bed. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this side. I don't have much over there. I do have this, not the leadership. El otro, the leadership. I have the achievement trophy over there for the Xbox thingy. And I still have my alarm clock from December, so that's pretty cool. What else do I have? I have my school Chromebook over here. It's actually my Chromebook, but I use it for school a lot, so yeah. This is my Super Nintendo box over here. It was actually in here before, but then I decided to move it. That's the plug and play box. But this is actually the Super Nintendo box, and this is actually pretty cool. Even though it is bootleg, I do like this one. This is my whole entire Dogman collection, and standing on top of it, I have a Game Boy Advance SP that my sister had gave me. I have this little Super Mario Brothers Game & Watch, along with a The Legend of Zelda Game & Watch that I reviewed like around I think it was February. I'm not sure where it was. I think it was like March or April. I also have a Galaga My Arcade portable thing. I think it's called like a pocket player. I'm not really sure, but yeah, this thing is pretty cool. I got a random penny that's about to fall off right now. Yeah. Anyways, this is my X-Men Project X Tiger portable. Yeah, I did not know what to call this back then, so I just kind of stuck with something. It's really hard to get something to record it, so hold up. Start. Oh crap, the batteries are dead. Oh man, it just started dying right as I, oh, never mind. Yeah, it starts working. And it's hard to play this with one hand, so I can't. What else do I got? I got the sunflower plushie. I got it like, I think a year ago, but I never decided to put it like in my actual game room. But I thought that putting it over here would be nice. Also, same thing with the pea shooter. I have it next to my two mini arcades over here that I had like for a long time. Have this mouse. I thought I was gonna use it for school, but no, I stopped using it. These are my Nintendo 3DS video game cases next to this Harley Davidson motorcycle cards. I thought I'd like to put it in because it's retro. I also have the boxes for the stuff, a little mini Etch-a-Sketch over there. Mario and Luigi with the little question mark block. And I have a little game case over here for my Game Boy. It's like, oh yeah, it's Namco Museum. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Speaking of Namco games, I'm pretty sure you remember this. This is, okay, to a lot of people who are here, who remember my channel like around December or something, this is my Pac-Man plug and play. It still works. I was actually playing with it yesterday because I was like, you know what, I'm feeling nostalgic. Let me just play that. This is a random Power Ranger that I got from like a Peter Piper or something. This is an Atari controller. Daniel knows where I got that from, but I'm not gonna say it. This is my Super Nintendo poster with like the catalog of games and with the really major issues that it says. I think it's on here. Super Metroid. I don't know what that means. Can anyone tell me what Super Metroid means? I think it's supposed to say Super Metroid. What is Super Metroid? Someone help me. And to the people who watch Project Pink Fedora podcasts, this is a Luigi hat, and this is the exact same sunglasses that I wore in that podcast. And I recently found them, and I decided to put them on. I have curtains now. Now I don't have to worry about the random... Oh my gosh, I have hairy arms. I have curtains now, so that's pretty cool. Got more curtains over there. And a few over there, so that's pretty cool. And you see the random achievement trophy there. This is actually, this is like a little, I don't know what you call it. It's like that thing over there. I forgot what you call it. I don't know. I'm sorry. Whoever can tell me that, I think it's like a framed canvas thing. I don't know. I still have the beanbag chair from like a year ago. Maybe 2 years, I'm not sure. I think it's getting close to it being 2 years. That thing's already falling apart, so might as well not do it. I need to turn on this AC. If I don't have this AC on for like more than 3 minutes, it's gonna start to get really hot in here, so yeah, that's gonna be loud. So I'm gonna have to speak over that. Also, to anyone who's a Stranger Things fan, I got this. These are the sunglasses that Eleven wore in that scene. I forgot what it was. I watched season, I think it was season 4. I'm not sure, but that was where that happened. It was in the new season. I forget all the time. But yeah, pretty much. Let's get into how the TV looks and how it looks like with these really nice lights. Learning from the LED lights that I had back, like, I think it was a year, 2 years, I'm not sure. But I had LED lights, I think it was 2 years ago. Yeah, for sure 2 years ago. I'm really worried for them because I'm afraid that that the circuits for the lights are gonna fry. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's gonna spark up some pretty much the nostalgia. Yeah, I remember this game a lot. I remember this actual plug and play. But yeah, pretty much. This is a pretty good thing. I remember being really excited when this thing came out, or not when this thing came out. But I remember being very excited when I saw it at my front door, the package. Like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. You probably can't hear me from the loud AC, but you know, that's pretty much what happened. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's the Pac-Man plug and play. I'm gonna leave it there for a minute because I don't know. I want to show more stuff. So yeah. Something else that's gonna spark some nostalgia is this, the NES Classic that I reviewed like a year ago. I'm sorry if I don't know what year it was when I reviewed it, but I mean, I'm not very, I guess, specific when it comes to dates. I'm not gonna say, oh, it was in January something 2021. And I remember this. I feel like I should start playing this thing a lot more because I'm not usually playing a lot of my consoles as much as I used to. And that's because I got a lot going on, so yeah. But who knows? Who knows? Maybe I'll do another live stream like I did around like the summer, or I think it was spring or something. But if I can, if you guys want me to, I'll do another live stream. I'll probably, you know, do some video games on some of this stuff, or maybe even the Pac-Man arcade. I'm not sure how that's gonna work though. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. There's a pretty short video. I don't know if it's gonna be further, because I'm not editing this as much. I'm not gonna edit this as much since it's just like a vlog, I guess. But pretty much, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye! And that's Markiplier's catchphrase, I'm sorry.